and welcome to this coding tutorial. Today we are going to explore an interesting concept in mathematics called Armstrong numbers. An Armstrong number, which is also known as narcissistic number, is a number that is equal to the sum of its own digits, each raised to the power of the number of digits. It sounds complicated, right? Don't worry, let us understand this with a few examples. For instance, take the number 153. It's a 3-digit number, and if we compute 1 to the power 3 plus 5 to the power 3 plus 3 to the power 3, which is 1 plus 125 plus 27, the sum is 153. So 153 is an Armstrong number. Example 2, let us consider the number 370. Again, it's a 3-digit number. If we calculate 3 to the power 3 plus 7 to the power 3 plus 0 to the power 3, which is 27 plus 343 plus 0, the sum is 370. So 370 is also an Armstrong number. Lastly, let us look at another example, that is 1634. It's a 4-digit number, and if we compute it, it will be like 1 to the power 4 plus 6 to the power 4 plus 3 to the power 4 plus 4 to the power 4, which is 1 plus 1296 plus 81 plus 256. So the sum is 1634. Hence, this number is indeed an Armstrong number. Now, let us move to the program itself. I'll walk you through the steps of writing the code to check if the number is an Armstrong number, and then printing all Armstrong numbers between 1 and 1000. First, let us define a function isArmstrong that checks if a given number is an Armstrong number or not. I will write the code first, and then I'll explain each and every step in detail. We begin by storing the original number in a variable called original number. This is the most important part because we'll need to compare the calculated sum with the original number later. We initialize a variable named sum to keep track of the sum of digits raised to the power of the number of digits. We calculate the number of digits in a given number using the formula int math.log10 num plus 1. This formula calculates the logarithm base 10 of the number, which essentially gives us the number of digits. We enter a while loop that runs as long as the num is greater than 0. Inside the loop, we extract the last digit of the num using the modulus operator and store it in a variable digit. We add the value of digit raised to the power of num digits to the sum. This stimulates the process of summing the digits raised to the appropriate power. We remove the last digit from the num by performing integer division, that is num by equal to 10. Okay. After the loop completes, we compare the calculated sum with the original number. If they are equal, it means the number is an Armstrong number and we return true. Otherwise, it's not an Armstrong number and we return false. Now comes the exciting part. In the main method, we'll loop through the numbers from 1 to 1000 and print those that are Armstrong numbers. Let's write the code in the main method. Great. With the code written, now let us run the program. You can see the program displayed the Armstrong numbers between 1 and 1000. Congrats, you have just coded a program that not only checks for Armstrong numbers but also showcases them within a specific range. This experience can serve as a great example of how programming can be it can bring mathematical concepts to life. Keep experimenting and coding away. Thanks for joining me with this tutorial. Please try this in your system too, and if you have any further doubt while practicing this program, please leave them down in the comments below. We'll make sure to solve them as soon as possible. Let us meet in the next tutorial. Till then, keep learning, keep practicing. Have a great day ahead. Thank you. Bye-bye.